Introduction to Bill.com API Webhook Best Practices. Bill.com API webhooks allow you to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur within your Bill.com account, enabling you to automate workflows and enhance your overall accounting experience. Setting up webhooks. To get started with Bill.com API webhooks, you need to set up a webhook endpoint, which is the URL that Bill.com will send event notifications to. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP POST requests and return a 200 OK response to acknowledge receipt of the event. Event types and subscriptions. Bill.com API webhooks support various event types, including bill created, bill paid, invoice sent, and payment received. You can subscribe to specific events by specifying the event type when setting up the webhook. It is essential to only subscribe to events that are relevant to your application to avoid unnecessary notifications. Handling webhook events. When a webhook event is triggered, Bill.com will send an HTTP POST request to your webhook endpoint with a JSON payload containing the event details. Your application should be able to parse this JSON payload and take the necessary actions based on the event type. Security and authentication. To ensure the security and authenticity of webhook events, Bill.com provides a signature header that can be used to verify the authenticity of the event. You should always verify the signature before processing the event to prevent unauthorized access. Error handling and retries. Bill.com API webhooks have a retry mechanism in place in case your webhook endpoint is unavailable or returns an error response. It is crucial to implement error handling and logging mechanisms to diagnose and resolve any issues that may arise during the webhook processing. Best practices for implementation. To get the most out of Bill.com API webhooks, follow these best practices. Implement idempotent event handling to prevent duplicate processing. Use secure HTTPS endpoints to protect sensitive data. And monitor webhook event processing for errors and performance issues. Conclusion. By following these best practices and guidelines, you can effectively utilize Bill.com API webhooks to streamline your accounting workflows and enhance your overall accounting experience. Remember to always prioritize security, error handling, and performance when implementing webhooks to ensure a seamless and reliable integration with Bill.com.